Good morning, everyone. Michael back with you guys again today. I'm just going to do a quick video on how to set up the Binance Smart Chain using the Metamask wallet. Basically, the Binance Smart Chain runs parallel to the Binance Chain, and it has full compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine. So essentially what you can do is you can store your BNB on the same wallet that you would store your Ethereum on. So Metamask can actually hold both, right? And that will allow you to trade on swap websites like PancakeSwap, get into some of these smaller ICOs. They basically have full integration through MetaMask and sites like Dxsale, PancakeSwap, PooCoin Exchange, stuff like that. So I'm going to set that up for you guys today and show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to metamask.io and download the wallet. If you already have a wallet set up, perfectly. But if not, make sure you download it, set up a wallet, and then we can go from there. So once you have the wallet installed, you'll see the little icon up here in the top right-hand corner of your browser. You'll just click on that. And as you can see right now, we're on the Ethereum mainnet, which is what you would normally see when you first register your wallet. And what we're going to want to do is set up the Binance Smart Chain network. That way you can trade in between both. So what we're going to want to do is go up to the top right here, click on this icon, and then go down to settings, scroll down to networks. And as you can see, the Ethereum mainnet is what we're on right now. There's a bunch of different test nets on here. We're going to want to add the Binance Smart Chain in this section. So we'll just click Add Network. I'll type in Binance Smart Chain. I will paste in the RPC URL. I will make sure that I post all of this information down in the comment section. So you guys, all you have to do is just copy and paste it into each slot to make it easy for yourselves. The chain ID will be 56. The symbol will be BNB. The block explorer will be bscscan.com. And then once all of this information is inputted correctly, you'll just hit save. And now you can see Binance Smart Chain has been added to the list. So now we're actually on the Smart Chain itself. And you can see here that I am on the Binance Smart Chain now, and BNB is my primary token. So now basically if I go on a PancakeSwap or any other swap platform, I can just connect to my wallet and I'll be directly linked. That way I can trade on the Binance Smart Chain and with BNB tokens. If I just go back to PancakeSwap here and I go to connect, MetaMask, now you can see that I can connect directly to the network, hit connect, and now I'm directly linked to trade on PancakeSwap. And now I can buy and sell tokens that ICO or are currently trading on PancakeSwap or on the BSC Smart Chain. And that's pretty much it. So, if I want to switch back to the Ethereum network, all I have to do is go up into the top corner here and select Ethereum mainnet. And it'll switch me back to my Ethereum wallet where I can go back and trade Ethereum or my ERC20 tokens. If I want to swap back to BNB, I just swap back to the Binance Smart Chain and I can go back to trading BNB tokens. One thing I do want to mention though is, as you can see here, the wallet is the exact same address, right? For ERC20 and for your BSC Smart Chain, right? Because they are compatible, right? They work side by side. So when you're withdrawing from Binance, if you were to buy BNB, make sure that when you go to withdraw, you type in your ERC20 address and it'll give you the corresponding network, right? Just make sure that when you're withdrawing, you withdraw to BSC and not the BNB Binance Smart Chain network. At least Binance does a really good job to make sure that you're transferring to the right network, but I just wanted to make sure that nobody makes any mistakes and that you're always transferring to the right wallets. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. So if you would like the content you're seeing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one. Thanks.